On the next episode of Debunk the Flat Earth, we're going to learn about tracking the orbits of the inner and outer planets. Venus or Mercury will be located when the sun is barely on the horizon, and sunset or sunrise, depending on where it is in orbit. As Venus orbits around the sun, it has something similar to a lunar phase cycle. This has to do with the angle that you're observing the illuminated face on. During a solar eclipse, you can see the inner planets, and you can never see any of the inner planets at midnight. You're also able to observe Venus transiting the sun, which is devastating to the flat Earth. Unfortunately, the next transit is in December 2117 and December 2125, and the last time it happened was in 2004 and 2012. Mercury is seen more transiting the sun, and the next time will be observed in 2032. Mars also can be difficult to observe, as it can be on the other side of the sun sometimes. It's best to observe Mars when it catches up to Earth in orbit and can be observed in the outer solar system. You can also observe all the gas giants this way also. In the geocentric model, there's a major red flag that flat earthers refuse to acknowledge, and that's understanding what the ecliptic is and that you can track all the planets on the ecliptic, which is a line that the planets, the sun, and the moon all follow. Half of the ecliptic is in the northern hemisphere, and the other half is in the southern hemisphere. The ecliptic will also shift in position because of the Earth's axis tilt and what season you're in. Because of the shape of the universe, you'll never see a planet ever in the northern sky in the northern hemisphere, anywhere near Polaris, which is the northern star and can be seen in the Little Dipper. You would be able to observe planets orbiting the northern sky if the geocentric model had any merits. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe. And we have a real treat for the next episode. We're going to do a curvature experiment, and we're going to travel to the coast of Connecticut, and we're going to observe this building at different distances.